Surya Namaskar. Keep your feet together, stand erect, look in front. Join the palms together in front of the heart. Observe your natural breath. While inhaling, raise both the arms above the head, keeping the hands shoulder width apart. Bend slightly backward, look up toward the sky. While exhaling, bend forward. Place the palm beside the feet. Now try to touch the knee with the forehead or with the nose, keeping the knee straight. While inhaling, move the right leg back as far as possible. Place the knee on the ground. Bend the head backward. Look up. While exhaling, move the left leg back. Move in slanting position. Balance the body on the toes and on the palms. As you exhale, bring the knees, chest and chin down. Lift the buttocks up. The navel will not touch to the ground. Place the pelvic parts on the floor. As you breathe in, raise the head, chest, the navel up, bending the head backward. Keep your legs together and hands straight. Slowly move the buttocks up. Bring the heels down. While exhaling, bend forward. Look toward the navel. As you breathe in, bring the right foot forward in between the palms. Keep your left knee down. Look up. Bring the left leg forward. Knee should be straight. While exhaling, bending forward, trying to touch the knee with the nose. Take a deep breath. Raise the torso and the arms up. Bend slightly backward. Look up. While you exhale, make the spine straight. Join the palms together in front of the heart. Breathe normally in this position. Now release the hands and relax yourself.